up a lot to give me the opportunities they did, and I'm very, very appreciative of it. Silly way to put this, Spawn Point genuinely could not have been any better. And I'm not saying that in like a haha. I'm saying that in like a, you need to acknowledge that who you are, as much as we are like everybody's equal, like we're fighting for equal, everybody loves each other. Yes, like there's a really, really good percentage of people that are like that. And it's like, I do love thy neighbor. And like, hold on, okay. So let me get some makeup started. There are good people. And it's so hard to see that sometimes when all that is pushed down our throat is war and hate crimes and freaking viruses, and it's so much negativity. And when I say this, I am not saying ignore what is happening, because you have to be aware of what is happening around you and in the political climate, okay? But I promise you, there's so much good happening in the world, and it gets overshadowed by the bad. And it's so easy to get in such a like negative mindset. And when you are in a negative mindset, negative things become what you unintentionally, like you're not intentionally like, oh my gosh, look, that negative thing is happening. That. You're never like that, usually, for the most part. But when it's getting shoved down your throat at such a colossal rate and amount, and just like, it's so easy to be like, oh my gosh, there's so much bad in the world. And then when that's constantly on your mind, it gets so easy. Because like, here's the thing. Here's a little fable. No. Here's an example though. I moved to Florida and I was really unsure about it because I really, really am close with my family, and I love my parents so much. I call them every single day. I'm so absolutely blessed to have the amazing parents I do have. And I'm very, very aware of that. I'm aware that that's a blessing. But when I moved here, like, I was only here for like, we're gonna move you right here. I was only here for like 3 weeks, and I was really, really lonely. Not because I didn't like where I moved. I've always wanted to live in Florida. Like, literally, this has been a dream of mine to like live at the beach, and because it makes me so happy. It does. But I really started second guessing it because I was like, I'm lonely and I miss my friends. And I moved over here not knowing anybody. I literally moved 14 hours away from everything that I'd ever known for a completely new place and people and experiences and job. And I was only like 14 days post-grad by the time that I moved. And so it was scary. The only scary thing about it was the uncertainty. And that's what's scary about new things. Like, usually things work out. If you put in the work and you try and you come in willing to learn and change and grow, I promise you most things will work out in your life. Give me 1 second. trying to fix this to get it out of the way. And that, I feel like, is more in the way. Anyway. And so, like, I came over here, and I was like, I want to go to law school here, and I want to stay here. And I need to pray about it. And if you don't believe in God, that's perfectly fine. Like, that doesn't change my experience, so I'm just telling you about it. But I was like, I need to pray about it. And I do this fun little thing where I'm like, okay, if I'm meant to do something, or if I'm meant to make a certain decision, will you please just give me a sign? Which I know, like, people make the jokes, and, like, obviously I'm not a perfect Christian. Like, I will never ever claim to be, like, this holier than thou thing. Like, I mess up, like, 7 times a day, at least. And that's the days that I stay in my bed and sleep. Like, but I will be like, hey, God, can you please, like, show me a sign for this? And sometimes I'll ask for specific signs, so I'm, like, on the lookout for it. And I was really, really just scared when I first moved here, and I was like, I have to make the decision if I'm going to stay for law school here or not soon. And I really love it here. I just, like, I'm used to having way more people in my, like, actual vicinity. That was a lot. You know what? We're doing a full face today, apparently, y'all. That is a lot right there. And so I just was like, can you just show me orange cars? Like, can you just show me an orange car if I'm meant to stay here? Which, that's so silly, and I understand that. You don't have to tell me that. But I swear to you, like, I've never seen an orange car. Like, I've seen maybe a couple, but it's not like a really common color, I feel like. And then all of a